Hi traders, it's Roberto, and today's October the 17th, Thursday evening in the United States. It's the Asian session. We're coming into a Friday, and the market had rallied on pound yen. Notice the strong upward trend, and I'm going to show you the strategy that I use, which is using Fibonacci tools and price action. So let's just show you what I did. I took my Fibonacci tool and I draw from this swing low all the way up to this swing high. Market retrace. This was my entry today. Market came all the way down here. I'm sorry, 4 days ago. I'm sure this is a daily chart, so each candle is a day. And notice that the market rallied all the way up to our target. We bought in the red zone and we sold at the extension right there. Now, just remove that. That becomes, this is an A, B, and C D pattern. The markets run in a pattern, a Fibonacci pattern called A, B, C, and D. So this is our A, this is our B, this is our C, and this is our D. So now that becomes our new B. So I'm going to put A here, and this is going to be B. And then the market's going to retrace and give us a C. So I take my Fibonacci tool, draw it from the swing low all the way up to the swing high, the current swing high. And because I anticipate the market going down, I'm shorting it and looking to exit around here, anywhere in this red zone. Now, once it hits this red zone, I'm going to be looking to buy. So we need a few things to happen. Price to hit this red zone, and then we need a candlestick pattern. So I will come back, I'll pause the recording and I'll come back to see if price does reach this level of support. We're going to enter the trade. Let me just show you the trades that I'm in right now. I'm short on euro dollar, I'm short on Japanese yen, pound Japanese yen, which is this one, and pound Australian dollar. Okay, so usually the markets retrace around the Asian session if it rallied during the New York or the European and New York session, or if the market sold off during the New York session, then it usually rallies. So that's what we're anticipating. This is the A, this is the B, and we're looking for a C somewhere around here. Okay, let's look at some other pairs. Some pairs that we're actually in. Pound Australian dollar. There we go. Again, no, that was, let me switch to pound Australian. That's pound yen. Pound Aussie. Now, if you're wondering what kind of software, this is called Smart Trader, and it's just unbelievable. It has all these things that you can use to improve your trading. Smart trend lines, Fibonacci tool is awesome. Here it is. Okay. All right. So here is my new B. This is an A. So we're doing that 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C, D pattern. So this is my A. And this is my B. And then you ask, Robert, how do I know which is A and which is B? This is what I will teach you. This is what you would learn in our workshop. You'll learn how to recognize the 1, 2 or A, B, C, D patterns. This is how banks trade. This is how institutional traders and banks trade. They do not trade at random. They know exactly where the market is going. They can predict the future. They know when the market goes from A to B, it's going to go to C. And then once it hits C, it's just going to shoot back up. So once it hits C, so let me put up the Fibonacci tool, swing low to swing high. And once it hits anywhere along these levels, if it bounces off the red level here, we're going to be buying and targeting the red level up here. If it bounces off the blue or the green, then we're going to be targeting the blue or the green area. Okay, this is probably one of the best trading systems I've come across in my 15 years of trading. I've always traded with candlestick patterns and Fibonacci, but the smart trader has an incredible tool to help you determine where the exit points are. Okay, so let me give you an example of that. Let me just go back and find any trade. You can find any 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, so the market sold off, so this would be A. Let's take my Fibonacci tool, let's draw it from the swing high all the way down to here. Okay, so market bounced off. Notice that the market bounced off. Oops, let me put that there again. All the way up to the red area. And then what happened? This is our entry. This is our sell level right there. And then we target the red level extension. And look, price came all the way down. Our stop loss was above the swing high of this entry. And then we target the support, which is right there. This is our target. And look, right to the pip, market just bounced off that level. And if we would have taken this trade on a standard lot from 180.25 all the way down to 175, that's almost 425 pips. 425 pips in what? In 2 weeks? That's about it was what, $4,000 in 2 weeks. On 2 lots, it's over $8,000. When was the last time you made $8,000 in 2 weeks? Just placing a trade in and putting a stop loss and walking away and placing a target. Okay, so let me just show you another example. Okay, let me find you. This is a daily chart, so you're gonna have, I have to scroll back. On a 4-hour, 8-hour chart where each candle is a 4-hour, you find them almost every week. Okay, so here's a good example. Here's and it also has a smart Fibonacci tool. So if you don't know how to draw Fibonacci tools, it'll draw it for you. It's really incredible. So here's from swing low to swing high. Okay, so this is my A, this is my B. Comes all the way down. Look, down to the black area. It'll retrace to the black. That's your entry. Railroad tracks. This is a reversal candlestick pattern, and look where it went to, the black area. So from black to black. Okay. Here's another one. Here's a swing low. Market rallied. So this is my A. This is my B. Came back down all the way down to the almost to the blue level. So that's what is called, this green candle here is called a bullish engulfing candle, which is a reversal candle. So the market sold off, bullish engulfing candle, we enter the market, and look, market rallied, and kept going. Never, it actually almost hit the green level, but even taking this trade right here, that's 179.20 all the way up to 187. That's 800 pips in 2 weeks. Okay, how cool is that? Okay, let's find another pair to trade. Okay, so this trade that I took, the retracement trade, this is my B on this pair. It's starting to head south, and we're taking, usually I take counter trend trades in the Asian session if the market rallied during the New York session. Okay, the market cannot sustain its upward trend. It needs to come back down, and once it comes back down, I'm going to start looking for buying opportunities. So where's my swing low on this one? Here's a swing low, and here's a swing high up there. Okay, so that's A, this is B. So when the market comes back down to this 61% retracement level, which is the most popular retracement level in the Forex market, we're going to start looking for buying opportunities. I'm going to exit the short position I'm in, and then we're going to start looking to target the next swing high, which is 143.75. So if the market forms a reversal pattern, a candlestick pattern, there's only 12 major candlestick patterns that you need to remember, and you will learn that in my workshop. We take a trade, we put a stop loss, we utilize some really good risk management so you don't lose your money, too much of your money that is. So we take a trade here, let's say. The market comes down here, then turns around and heads north. We're going to put a stop loss below that and target 143.76. And that's a total of, what, 800 pips or more? Or 500 pips? Okay, let's do one more. Here's a good trade. This is pound New Zealand. I took this trade as well. Okay, notice where price stopped. Here was the A and here was the B, right? And then D, C was down here and D was all the way up here. So let me just draw that for you so you can see how incredible this trading software and trading strategy is. Okay, so that's a little too big of a C. I just want to match the letters, and so that's a C. Turn it to 13, maybe that'll 16. So that's my C here. Okay, A, B, C, and it's in this red zone, and look, price hit that 169.17 red area. Okay, now that becomes my new B. So I'll just remove everything. I'll remove these. I'll clear the screen, and I place my Fibonacci tool at the swing low all the way up to the swing high. So this becomes my new A. Okay. All right. I guess, guys, I tell you, if I can do this, anyone can. It's very simple, but you have to learn how to trade it. You have to learn when not to trade, when to take profit and why, when to enter a trade and why, and you will learn that in our classes. So here's B, sorry, that's supposed to be a B, and we're going to be looking to exit. I'm short right now. I'm looking to exit at C. Okay, so C hopefully will stop around anywhere in this red zone. And when it turns around, because we're in an uptrend, clearly the pound Canadian dollar is in an uptrend. We're going to be looking to buy at these levels, okay, and put a proper stop loss, and you learn how to do that. And then we're targeting that 176.67. Now this may take a week to get up there because we are trading off the daily chart, and each candle is an entire day. Okay, so it may take 2 weeks to get up there, but we have a proper stop loss. If it turns against us, we don't lose a lot. We just lose a portion of our money, and that's it. So right now I'm up on the counter trend trades, 20 pips on pound yen. Let's see how we're doing. Again, these are trades that I take when the market has exhausted its upward or downward trend. And I take opportunities, look for opportunities in the opposite direction at specific times of the day, and you will learn how to do that. You will, not only that, we will have a trade room, so even if you don't understand this or it's difficult to figure out what's going on, I will guide you. I will hold your hand through this whole thing. You don't have to learn how to do this. You can just follow my instructions, follow my trades. The trade signals will go out. They go out twice a day. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, just email me. I've got my website, posted it here somewhere. So it's, I'll just type it in real quick here. It's fx-northwest.com. Okay, so visit my website, and there's a lot of programs. There's mentorship programs. I'm looking to do a live 2-week course in Melbourne, Australia, coming hopefully in February. I hope some of you that live down there are able to attend. For more information, just go to the website and go to the contact page and email me, and I'll give you that information. So have a good day. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.